Right, okay, this is my simple method for preparing your airgun pellets. It increases the power, improves performance, accuracy. Anyway, quite simple. All you need, jar, bit of hot water, get a bit of detergent into the hot water, just give that a bit of a swirl around. Get your pellets, tip them into the jar, and then just give them a bit of a swirl round. Removes all the swarf, dust, oil, excess lead, and generally just gives them a good clean up. Just keep gently swirling them round, and that'll do. Right, okay, what I've done now is just tip them into a plastic sieve. And I say you use plastic, not a metal one, because it won't damage your pellets. Okay, just switch your cold tap on and give them a rinse. There you go, give them a good clean, good rinse, get rid of all the detergent. Okay, then what you do, tip them on some absorbent paper, just spread them out a bit and let them dry off. If you can, to speed up this process, what you can do is use a hairdryer. Just give them a few blasts with a hairdryer and that'll soon dry them off. Anyway, just leave them on there, just roll them about for a bit and the absorbent paper will soon dry them off for you. Okay, once you've done that, once they've dried off a bit, tip them into your container and add a few drops of your lube. You can either use Napier Power Lube or any multi-purpose oil. Just a few drops into your container and just give them a bit of a swirl round. If you've got a spring gun, a spring rifle, use a wax-based furniture polish. Usually come in sprays. Just spray it onto a cloth and tip your pellets onto the cloth and just give them a quick bit of a rub round so they get coated in the wax. That's for a Springer. For a PCP, you use oil, just a few drops, either, as I say, Power Lube or any light multi-purpose oil, and that's it. That's all you need to do.